Well, round two of severe weather is upon us, and we are continuing to track severe thunderstorm warning after severe thunderstorm warning. Take a look at this one. We have a severe thunderstorm warning to tell you about over Los Animas County. That will stay in effect until 5:45. That cell you see on your screen, it's going to pass just to the north of Branson. This storm is traveling off to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour, capable of producing quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour gusts. Obviously, heavy rain also associated with this storm, as is quite a bit of lightning. Off to the north, we have another storm system that we're continuing to track that's sliding off to the south and east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Elbert and Lincoln County until 5:30. It is sliding just to the south of Lyman. It will start to impact Hugo here shortly, an area where we tracked a 110-mile-per-hour gust and some damage yesterday due to a cell that actually ended up producing a tornado near the Lyman area too. So we are going to continue to track this cell very closely. It was showing some signs of rotation just about 1 to 2 hours ago. So again, keeping a very close eye on that. Farther toward the west, we have a few strong storms up around the Denver metro area. We also have a decent cell pushing across Monument that we're continuing to track. I want to point out one other feature. See that green line that's sliding across northeastern El Paso County? That's what we like to call an outflow boundary. What that means is that we just have some rain-cooled air. That's going to continue sliding off to the south and west. It's going to push toward Colorado Springs. When that passes over your neck of the woods, you're going to notice the temperature dropping and the winds picking up. Not expecting any rain to be associated with that boundary. It is a result of that strong storm that is continuing to slide toward the south of Lyman. The area blue, that's a severe thunderstorm watch that will continue until 10 o'clock tonight because we're not done yet. The storms are going to continue sliding off toward the east. Here's a look at 7 o'clock with the storms pushing across the plains. They'll work their way into Kansas, and as we head into the later evening hours, check that out. Skycast suggesting we could get a decent storm between Colorado Springs and Pueblo to push off into the plains as well. So we are going to be tracking another active night tonight with storms sticking around through about midnight. They will eventually die down, though, early tomorrow morning. We'll have a couple hours of quiet weather to start you off on your Friday. Then we do it again. Tomorrow afternoon, this is a look at lunchtime. The storms will begin to pop up. They'll slide across the plains and they'll intensify as they move into the plains. This is an area where we have all of the ingredients in place for strong to severe storms. So that will be what we'll be tracking again on your Friday afternoon. Tomorrow night, the storms should not last as long. They get out of here by about 10 o'clock. Tomorrow for the areas in yellow, we will see the potential for severe weather. Best chance for strong storms across southeastern Colorado. Main threats, large hail and damaging winds. Can't rule out an isolated tornado tomorrow afternoon either. Temperatures are going to be cooler on your Friday because we'll have clouds really from start to finish. 73 degrees is all we get to in Colorado Springs. Saturday, we drop that temperature into the 60s. As the storms travel overhead, we drop the temperature to about 10 to 20 degrees, so it will cool off as we head into the afternoons. 70 on Sunday. We're back in the 80s, though, by next Tuesday, Wednesday. Take a break from the severe weather, but storms back in the forecast by next Thursday. Pueblo, your high temperature tomorrow, 79 degrees. We hit 74 on Saturday. We'll warm to 76 degrees on Sunday. Sunday, the storms will be fewer and farther between. You have to get outside and get something done. Do it in the mornings. The afternoons are when we'll see the best chance for storms. In Canyon City, tomorrow, 76, low 70s Saturday, mid 70s Sunday. We're back in the 80s on Monday. We'll keep that chance for storms at 30% all the way through the weekend. And in Teller County, it's 65 tomorrow, low 60s as we head through the weekend with temperatures in the upper 60s then Monday. We're back in the 70s on Tuesday. I'm not a very popular person when I forecast strong storms over the weekend, but just know that they're on their way and just be prepared for them and make sure that you don't leave the door without the umbrella.
It's like clockwork in the afternoons now.
It really is. It's that time of year, springtime in the Rockies.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Thanks,
Rachel. Well, so why was nothing done to correct known problems with ignition switches in millions of vehicles?